Gracie.
Let's go, Gracie! Nice. Oh, come on, so close.
Where is she?
We have
Up,
our
up,
first
Gracie!
competitor on course.
Way to go, Gracie!
Oops, no. Get up.
Come on, Grace.
We have Grace coming into that bottom air. She's our first woman competitor in this second round. Grace out of Wasatch Freestyle making her way to the finish line.
Nice job!